Good morning, guys. How's everything going? Happy weekend. Maureen here with Southwest Police Softwas. Today, I'm in the roof of this medical building at cleaning quarterly and cleaning the gutter inside the gutter because this building here is surrounded by gutters. So, luckily, just down here and removing the mud and few debris. Like it that there's not very much dirty inside the gutter because like I said, they are quarterly cleaning. So now it's raining, rainy season here in our town, our state. It's summer, but it's rainy season still. So anyway, yep. I'm gonna turn around right now. Is the roof of this building. You can see behind me. I'll turn my camera around. Yep, there's the roof here. Yep, it's a black tile. You can see the white in the bottom because racing with bleeds. It's when I'm spraying my chemicals when I'm washing the side building on it. It's straight through up here, so you get clearer and clearer over time. But the rest is very black. It's not in their mind to clean this roof. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Just clean the inside gutters. And after that, we're going to do the pressure washing. The brick and the walkway, and then the side building on it. Plus exterior and interior window cleaning. So we're not going to do it at all at once on one day. It's hard work. Well, a big job and hard work. So I'm not going to work so hard the whole day. So, at least to clean the whole building here, the exterior only is about 6 to 7 hours, depending how hot it is during the day. That's we're doing a garbage bin cleaning around. That's how we do it. So, alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and please free to find me up, subscribe on my channel Southwest Police Softwas or Marl Mangawang on YouTube, of course on Meta, also known as F-Box Southwest Police Softwas. I got my work there, so information. So you guys, thank you for watching. You guys have a great day and God bless.